Good evening, friends. Study with the Pala Engineering and General Geology Parvin Singh. Book Chapter 8 Physiographic Features. Origin of Folded Mountains. Orogeny. We read earlier. So contractions hypothesis यानी कि जो ओरिजिन हो रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हाइपोथेसिस दी गई है. कन्वेक्शन करंट हाइपोथेसिस है. और आपकी अभी तो रीड करते हैं. Contraction hypothesis. According to this view, the earth was a ball of molten material. यानी कि करें एक बॉल के रूप में molten material रहा. At some initial stage of its evolution, it has attained the present almost stable condition due to loss of heat and gradual cooling. And obviously, at a certain stage, in its life, the outer portion must have cooled completely. और so इससे क्या हो गया कि जो outer surface है बहुत तेजी से cool हुआ और to forms the crust. उस कूलिंग से कह रहे हैं crust form हुई contraction hypothesis according. The inner part, अब उसके inner part पे पा रहे हैं तो however remains molten and continued to lose heat और continue. अब inner part में कह रहे हैं कि continue loss of heat हो रहा है, molten हो रहा है. तो as a consequence shrink, और वो सिकुड़ जाती है. shrink सिकुड़ जाना. In volume, अपने वॉल्यूम में सिकुड़ जाती. As a result of this shrinkage, the outer crust has had to fit on a reduced inner surface. तो उसका इनर सरफेस रिड्यूस हो रहा है. Any attempts in this directions would lead to the development of a compressional force. Compressional force लग रहा है in the outer crust, which would be capable of throwing the crust into buckles or mountains. The part of the earth were cooling by conductions is believed to be going on as a continuous process. और ये process continue रहे हैं. Lies between 70 to 700 किलोमीटर डेप्थ में. सो ऑलरेडी क्लियर कि जो 70 टू इनको अर्थ क्रस्ट को जब डिवाइड किया गया तो देखा गया कि कहाँ पे तेज़ी से सॉलिड हो रहा है, कहाँ से कूलिंग तेज हो रही है, कहाँ प्रोसेस. सो उस उन्हीं कूलिंग और के प्रोसेस से और हीटिंग के प्रोसेस से जो बन रही है एरिया डिफरेंस, आप कहते हैं क्रस्ट, मेंटल, कोर, सो ये बन रहे हैं. तो बिलो से 700 किलोमीटर on no appreciable cooling is envisaged. This hypothesis failed to explain many known feature. यानी कि लेकिन ये थ्योरी कुछ पॉइंट पे नहीं एक्सप्लेन कर पाई of the mountain belt, like a mountain belt. For example, accepting this view, the process mountain formation should have been more vigorous in the earliest geological times. Because of more rapid contractions, the actual studies, however, show that orogenic cycles have been more frequent in the large geological history of the earth. अब आते हैं convection current hypothesis. तो this view propounded in earlier decades of the 20th century has been quite favorite of many geologists का. इससे काफ़ी साइंटिस्ट सहमत रहे हैं तो इसलिए ये टॉपिक उनका फेवरेट हो गया. क्योंकि एवरी पर्सन अगर जब किसी बात को एक ही मत में, जैसे 10 लोग हैं, अगर उनके पास से भी वही मत निकल रहा है और उन्हें कंक्लूजन मिल रहा है तो वो उसमें इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं और फेवरेट टॉपिक हो गया. So it is essence. The hypothesis suggests that mountain range were initiated and developed due to convection current supposed to exist in the plastic type mantle below the crust of the earth. The origin of the current may be due to very hot liquid and core of the earth. Core में क्या है? Very hot liquid है, यानी liquid in condition में है कह रहे हैं materials. Once established in the mantle, these currents may acquire circulating path with the main mantle. Under the crustal blocks, जो अंदर ब्लॉक हो रहे हैं डेवलप, however the current acquire horizontal path. और वो इसलिए हो रहे हैं क्योंकि वो horizontal path में चल रहे हैं. It is during this journey of the current under the crustal blocks that they are capable of exerting enormous draggings and compressive effect on the crust above actual process through though sorry though believed to be much complicated, is broadly assumed to be somewhat as follows. Convection current, according first point. Convection current rise up at certain places in the mantle below the crust of the earth. On meeting the crustal boundary, they travel horizontally under the crust. The rising current are hot and exert a dragging effect on the rock at the base of the continent. And second point, on reaching the margin, किनारे जब जाते हैं of the crust and especially on meeting similar current from the opposite end, these convection current start descending, यानी घट रहे, नीचे से डिसेंडिंग, जैसे आप कहेंगे 1 to, अभी बता रहे हैं, तो इन दिस डाउनवर्ड जर्नी भी कहते हैं, दे पुल along the light materials of the continental margin and in the process themselves becomes cold and heavy. Thus the two type of convection current comes into play, forming almost a cycles. First the ascending current of light and hot materials, and second the descending current of heavy and cold materials. Fourth point, so don't forget to make a picture, it give you extra mark in all exam. Where on reaching the base of the crust, the current diverges. The crust is thrown into tensions. Conversely, where the current converges as at continental margin, the material of the crust is thrown into compressions. This part of the process is believed to initiate the mountain buildings by causing the development of depressions, huge, narrow and sufficient deep, अर्जियस इंक्लाइन नेचर का बनता है. करंट डाइवर्स हो रही हैं. एक कंडीशन ये, फोर्थ कंडीशन में कह रहे हैं कन्वर्सली वेयर करंट कवरेज कॉन्टिनेंटल मार्जिन. थैंक यू.